everyone, it's me and welcome to another video from the Flexibility series. And today's video is on the complete body stretching routine, but this time it's the complete beginner's edition. That is, no matter what is your age group or your flexibility level, you can easily follow along the stretching sequence without any issues. Today's stretching routine is quick, simple and relieving, so you can also follow this after an intense workout or use this as a pre-stretch routine. So now, let's start today's video.
You will begin today's routine with few shoulder stretches. If comfortable, you can sit into the lotus pose and then perform the arm circles clockwise and anti-clockwise. In the next stretch, you will extend your upper body and shoulders and touch your nose to your right knee. Keep breathing properly and you will feel a stretch in your right hamstring. Now change the posture and perform the upper body stretch and the hamstring stretches for your left side. You should stretch into these positions as per your own flexibility level. Then it's time to perform the cobra stretch. It is one of the best stretches for your back flexibility, so stretch according to your own flexibility level. Here you will prepare yourself for the full cobra pose or Purna Bhujangasana. In the next stretches, you will prepare yourself for the full camel pose. Begin with stretching your quads and knees first. Now slowly bend your back, grab your feet with your hands, stretch your lower back and your neck. Here you should focus on your breathing because it's an effective stretch for your lower back as well as your upper body. After that, slowly you will raise your arms, extend your shoulders and bend backwards. Extend your back as per your own flexibility level and stay calm while performing this posture. And now it's time to stretch our legs. You will perform the forward lunges, and here you are going to extend your shoulders and tilt your body sidewards. It is important to control your breathing, stay calm while performing this posture and balance your body. Repeat the same stretching sequence on the other side. Focus on your posture, focus on your mind, and stay calm while performing these stretches. Few of these postures may get difficult for you, so you can perform them into a simpler version as a beginner. The motive of today's stretching sequence isn't only about focusing on the basic flexibility, but it's also about feeling good, feeling contented, and feeling grateful with your practice. Most of your outcomes lie in your perspective, so make sure that you stay positive and stay happier during this practice.
I hope that you enjoyed this quick and simple beginner stretching routine. For more intense routines or the intermediate or advanced stretches, make sure you check out the playlist from my channel and also subscribe if you are following my stretching routines. I would really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and please share this video with someone who wants to be flexible. That's all for today and see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay positive and don't forget, keep smiling.